Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Tinder not connecting to Facebook. So to fix this issue, you can start by removing and re-adding Facebook permissions. So for that, you have to go to your Facebook app first and then go to your three-line menu at the top left corner of your screen. Now go to settings and privacy. Once you go to settings and privacy, go to settings. Now scroll down to apps and website. Under your activity section, you will find apps and websites. Just tap on it and then find Tinder, remove it and try logging in again to reauthorize. Now the next what you can do is go to your Google Play Store or App Store and then make sure that you are using the latest version. Or if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next what you can do is use a different connection. You can just switch from Wi-Fi to a cellular data or vice versa to rule out network issues. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.